What's on the Coverdisk today? What type of game are you going to play with my heart? Baby, yeah. You took my heart and you gave it away. Now give it back to that disk drive of my life. Hi, Nicola here. Today we're going through CU Amiga April 93. It's Amos the creator, Amos the compiler, Chuck Rock 2, and FA Premier League football. We're going to suss out these discs and see what's on them and what I can make with them. Why am I doing an April disc in November? Because I've only just come up with the idea and I decided to do it month by month after I started filming. So next month is obviously Christmas, so we're going to be doing Cannon Soccer from the Amiga Format 54 disc. Okay, so the confusing part has always been what version of Amos is what. So I've made a list. Started off on the Atari, I think that's 1988 or 89, didn't write it down, dumbass. It's called STOS. Then I'll go by Coverdisk. I'll go by Coverdisk by date. Yep, that's what I'm meaning to say. Amiga Format 11, June 1990 was Amos just by itself. November 93 was Amos 3D, that's Amiga Computing 66. Amos, the compiler and the creator, is on this magazine, Coverdisk, April 93. Okay. Then Jan 95, Amos Professional. Looks like I've got them out of order. Well, this is my own screwed up timeline. That's creator again, 93, so it's on a different magazine, that's all. AF42, and then Christmas 94 was Easy Amos on Amiga Computing 81, and then Amiga Format 35, June 1992. Okay, so two magazines released it. One must be a demo, one must be a full version, I'm presuming. Then Final One was just tutorials on Amiga Computing 59, April 93, just tutorials, and I've downloaded, now I didn't write down the year, did I? But you can now download Amos 2, which is basically JavaScript. So I've downloaded it and I'll install that, but I want to do Amos first. So going back to Amos compiler creator, April 93, that's the version I own. So this is quite funny because look at the size of the manual, and I've just downloaded the PDF version and it was 20 megabytes, so I have no idea how. I don't think it's much of this manual on archive.org, but yeah, I'm going through this, and the good news is that you can download tons and tons of homemade programs and tutorials and just learn how they're done. So let's start with Amos the compiler, no, the creator, Amos the creator, and let's create something. Hey, this is version 1.2, whereas the version that came with the cover disc is 1.3. Oh dear, so much confusion, so little time. Get on. Okay, so I assume that we unpack it. Amos and compiler. Amos extras. Amos missing files. What's missing? I don't know. Insert this into DFO. Okay. Alright, so sorry the microphone's been too close to my mouth. We're going to have to back and forth here for a bit. So if you're new to programming, blah blah blah, who cares? Menu bar, who cares? Isn't that exciting? Print hi there. Okay, let's do this. Print hi there. Print hi there. I usually, oh, I forgot. 2 shift 2 hi there. I'll spell it wrong on purpose. Run. Wow, isn't that exciting, folks? Maybe we should close all those windows. Tab. Right, CLS return, who cares? Right, here we go. CLS input print what is your name. Input. Come on, don't take me around. Print what is your name. Print what is your name. That is totally wrong. What have I done? Question mark. Input $9. What the hell have I done? Print quotes, what is your name? Why did I put input? Psycho. Do it again. Prints what is thy name? Question mark. Oh, I've done it again. Print 2. What is thy name? Question mark. And then 2. Input. Input what? Input name dollars. Why do you want so much money? Herbert the car. Herbert the car. Wow, the excitement. Couldn't deal with it, folks. I don't know why I'm having shift tab problems. Print name dollars. Don't care. Okay. CLS. Input name dollars. Then 4 A equals 1 to 100. 4 A equals 1 to 100. 1 to L? The L? I thought it was an I. I equals random 15. P equals random 15. X equals random 30, Y equals random 20. X, Y. X equals random 20. Y equals random 30. I'll put them around the wrong way on purpose. 3? What the hell is your problem? Come on. Oh, what the hello. 30. Pen I equals paper P. Pen I equals paper P. Oh, it's done it. That's locate X, Y, print name dollars. Oh, here comes the rain. What is thy name? Have I done it? No. Sorry, the rain's messing with my brain power. Locate X, Y, print name dollars. Locate X, comma, Y. I think it was a colon. X, comma, Y, colon. Yeah, print name dollars. Print name dollars. Okay, nearly there, isn't that exciting? Next A end. Wow. Spell that properly, yeah? Okay, let's see what I've done. Pen I? What's wrong with pen I? Oh, come on. I can't tab today. Just a good thing I closed the window. Pen I, colon, paper P. What have I put? I can't use a keyboard. This sucks. Pen I, colon, paper P. What is your name? Legal on parameter 8. Okay, X, comma, Y. Colon, print name dollars. Uh-oh. What have I done? Locate, space, X, comma, Y. Hang on. Locate X, Y, colon, print name dollars. That's what I've got. $9. Okay. I've done something totally wrong. Input name dollars. Garbage head. Sally 0. Do I need to do that? Oh! No, it almost worked. Print, what is that name? Input name dollars. What's it telling me to do? Okay, so the lesson here is you have to be perfect. I changed that to 30 and that to 20. And now it works. Yeah! Oops, what the hell did I just do? Oh, this sucks. I can't use a keyboard. I have to go there. No. Gotta click there. Push delete. Oh crap, you. It didn't do anything. Nah, it worked. Doesn't like commas then. Quite a lot of fun we're having today. Okay, so what am I doing? I do ink rand 15. Do I have to delete all that manually? God. Can't you just go low new? Oh. Okay. Yes. Oh, what the hell are you doing? I don't want to save it. I want to. No. Yes. I'm not saving it. What the hell is wrong with you? Please confirm. No. Okay. That was stupid. I've forgotten about print random now. Do ink rand 15. Do ink. Okay. Why didn't you put the window there? Hang on. Right, that's better. Do ink rand 15. Have to tab it. X equals x1 equals random 320 colon y1 equals random 200. Box 1 x1 comma y1 x2, x1 plus random 50. Did I? No. Comma y1 plus random 50. Loop. Whoops, loop. Right, let's check this out. You're excited. Oh, we love it. Thank you so much. This is from 2 albums. Number 1, Our Own Sacred Heart, and number 2, the song we did one is called Vision Quest. What a lot of hogwash. Oh, Control C. Sorry. My bad. Right, let's go new, confirm, and then don't save. Because you're an idiot. Do friend. Ooh. Inkrand. Ooh, 15. It's the same. X1. No wonder I hate programming. There's so much typing to do. Random 320. Colon Y1 equals random 320. No, 200. 200. Alright, X2 equals random 320. Alright. Colon Y2 equals random 200. X3 equals random 320. Colon Y3 equals random 200. Yeah, I did that without looking. Isn't that exciting, folks? Polyline. Line. X1, comma, Y1, 2. Alright, I'll get that right. X2, comma, Y2, 2X3. Yep, got that right. Y3, 2, X1, comma, Y1. My brain is fogging. Loop. Wow, pretty. I'm so pretty, you're so pretty. Vacant. I'm so pretty, you're so pretty. You're vacant. That'll do. Stop. Okay, one more. De-include. Okay. Keep loop. Oh, I hate this stupid thing. I wish I could use a keyboard. Do incrand. X, no, it's a Y. X1 equals random 320. Colon Y1 equals random 200. Colon R equals random 100. Circle. Oh, circle. I didn't do a circle. Yes. Circle X1. And comma R. Wait. Oh, I knew you'd do that. Programming always works against you. Here we go. Circle. I made a mistake. Circle X1, comma Y1. Circle X1, comma Y1, comma R. What have I done wrong? Piece of crap. X1 equals random 320. Y1 equals random 200. O equals random 100. Circle X1, Y1, R. Loop. There's no spelling mistakes. Illegal function call. Why is it illegal to do a circle? Circle. Did I spell circle wrong or something? Oh, you piece of crap. Oh, now I've got quit out of Amos. That's enough. Let's move on to Chuck Rock. I hate this. Alright, let's do FA Premier League. Never played a soccer game on Amiga before. Never wanted to. Got a line. Ooh, got a line. Hello, anybody out there? Yeah, I'm using an Xbox controller or an Amiga. Isn't that cool? Owner's return. This is the one. right, am I? Okay. Wait, oh, I got it. Oh, where's the white guy? Oh, crap. Hello, where's all my peoples? Get it. Oh, thanks, Golly. Ooh. B to kick. Oh, you're supposed to get it. Oh, you ass. You tackle him. Oh, this is. You suck. Yeah, I don't want a replay. I don't care about the replay. Thank you. Keep going. Oh no, what have I done? Well, that's enough soccer for one day. I've crashed it or something. I don't know what I've done. Oh, shoot. Alright. Why was that pause thing on? Oh! Help? Forget it. Well, that was FA Soccer Premier League, whatever. What fun we had today. Alrighty then, a little history on Chuck Rock. Not much on there, is there? Archimedes, okay, CD32, Atari ST, Game Boy, Game Gear, Mega CD, Mega Drive, Master System. Excitement. So anyway, there's the CD32 game footage. Oh, there's the intro. So I'll compare that to the Sega CD intro, which there's no difference. Put them side by side. The Mega Drive is this will piss you off. The Mega Drive footage is more colourful than the CD32 game footage. And of course there's no difference between the CD32 and what have I got? Oh no, that's the Coverdisk, and there's the 1200 footage. So there's not much difference between that and CD32 version. So I'll just stick them up and put them side by side and move it about and move it up and move it down. And thanks for watching the show. Let's go out with Chuck Rock. Yeah.
Welcome, gamesters, to Chuck Rock 2, Son of Chuck. You'll remember that in our last exciting adventure, Chuck Rock defeated the evil Gary Gritter and his despicable dinosaur. Utilizing his newfound skills, Chuck invented the very first automobile. And in no time at all, had built a brand new factory and was in full production of the Rockette road machine. Business was booming, and the money soon began to roll in. Everyone wanted to own a Rockette car. Life was almost perfect for Chuck and his beautiful wife, Ophelia. Only one thing was missing: an heir to the Rock Empire. The new arrival made their happiness complete. Chuck was a very proud father, and his son was a real chip off the old block. But life didn't remain perfect for long. Trouble was on the horizon, in the shape of the heartless Brick Jagger, the owner of a new rival car plant. Unfortunately for Brick, he didn't have Chuck's skill and expertise. Despite this, he was determined to be rich. He decided that if he couldn't make his fortune by fair means, he'd make them by foul. And ordered his henchmen to kidnap Chuck. Blissfully unaware of her husband's predicament, Ophelia received the ransom demand. She was understandably upset. But all is not lost, for Junior is a chip off the old block after all. And so, with the words goo goo gaga, which mean I'll be back with my dad, Chuck Jr. sets off to rescue his father from the clutches of the despicable Brick Jagger in Chuck Rock 2, Son of Chuck.
Okay, Period Time Lucky, Chuck Rock demo, double click, Alt Enter. Disc sounds. I've never heard that before. What the hell? Oh my gosh, I can hear the game. What the hell have I done? Okay, no music, but I heard the disc sound. Now's the music! Oh my god, is it recording? Oh my gosh, everything's working. I only took 4 hours. I picked this guy up. What's he ever done to you? Oh! Mr. Surfy Dude. Oh. Come on. There's no way to spit the spits. You know what? Go behind him. Bang! This guy. Bam! I love this game. Now, wait till he goes back. Oh, it's not bloody Bubble and Squeak, you know. I can get that lolly, but I don't know how to get up there. Boink! Oh, I hate this bit, the wave bit. You suck. Come on. Now, actually I learned a new trick. You can land on the wave. Yeah, much easier. Beat him up. How's surfboard doing, mate? Can I get him from here? No, he got you. Boom! Boom! Oh, screwed that one up. Right, go get the lolly. The music stopped. Now watch the shark. And here's the trick. Now you have to bash those. Right. Boom! Boom! 3 times lucky. Okay, spin, jump. Oh crap. Boom! No, I didn't boom. Boom! How do I get up there? You can't. Sharp. Such a stupid SpongeBob things. What? Now don't break the blocks. Boom! Oh, forgot what jump was. Boom! And how do I get to those? Oh yeah, okay. Sweet. Up there and up there. Boom! Bash. I want to hit it with them. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, he got me and I'm on the rock. Piece of crap. Now you have to bash that. Wait. No worries, mate. Oh, and I got... Watch the shark. That's it. What's the next level? Who's that? It's Igor. He's late for class. Come on, next level. Hey, he's still there. Is that it? It's as far as you can go. Oh. Never mind. It was fun. 10 out of 10, man.